Oh, hello. These days, I've been mostly thinking about double dualistic Taoism. Yeah. Kind of like looking at the old school fixed form of it. Moving on from there quickly. Bruce Lee's flow concepts. Yeah, check out Bruce Lee's philosophies related to dualism. It's next level. But then after that, we've got to be thinking about double dualism, because we don't go through life as individuals. You know, we're more than just one, aren't we? We are one of a whole. But through life, we move, usually with a partner. Two of you. Here's one, yin and yang, and the internal battles going on in that individual. Here's the other. I like to think of them as balls, really, rolling through space and time, and they're intrinsically connected, kind of like a rubber band. If you were going to do it two-dimensional, like a symbol, I would actually probably use some sort of a pivot and seesaw, but obviously the angle and the density of that moves. So many factors, of course, but we're trying to conceptualize something here. I prefer balls and expanding, contracting, ebb and flow. Think of it like the ocean, and when one has the high tides, what's happening here? They find balance, slack water, boom. It's the stillness. So we go like this through life. Having in mind there are others, other people, other things. Really, when these two individuals are flowing as one, they become one, logically, they flow through space and time with very little external factors affecting them or pushing them away from each other. The issue, when you think about it, space and time, which I think we've kind of worked out, is formless. As in, it expands and contracts, depending on what. Dualistic's basic philosophy. Problem is, if that's happening all over the place, and there's individuals, and there's unique ones flowing, it's like a billiard table, man, and everyone's banging into each other. Boom. You know, there's no harmony there. And so that's what we're trying to do, isn't it, in partnerships? Dualistic, double dualistic, and then double dualistic in a expanding, formless space and time related to the all. We try to flow in unison, and if we all flow in unison, there's going to be less friction and less clashes. And if we flow in unison and we're all on the same page, we all understand what everyone's trying to do, well, maybe we could just pass through each other, and maybe we find that stillness. Ooosh.